Hey everyone, today we'll be discussing about the Prisma browser preventive measures that an administrator can enforce on users while uploading credit card details or PII information to generative AI apps. Here's what we're going to do. We have a user logged on to the Prisma browser trying to access Claude.ai or Perplexity.ai. As a starter, we'll try to upload the credit card details and sample files containing PII information to Claude.ai. Next, we'll prompt the generative AI app to provide us some credit card numbers for lab testing purposes. Further, there are baseline restrictions on other generative AI apps preventing data from being copied. When we navigate to Claude.ai, you will notice a label, Claude, in the browser address bar. Clicking on the label, the user will be able to see what all restrictions are imposed by the administrator. Under the policy, we can see login restrictions have been enforced, allowing specific domains to login. Data masking is enabled for credit card numbers. DLP restrictions to prevent files containing credit card numbers from being exfiltrated. Watermark display when incident is triggered. And clipboard controls to prevent users from copying data in and out. Now let's see this in action. First, we'll try to upload files containing credit card numbers to Claude.ai. As dictated by the policy, the user request gets blocked. Next, let's try to paste the credit card numbers in the prompt. The clipboard controls instantly prevent us from doing so. Now let's ask Claude to share some credit card numbers for lab testing purpose. As you can see, the response is generated, but the numbers are masked as per the policy that has been configured. While we have enough and more understanding to avoid data exfiltration of PCI, PII, healthcare details, source code being copied in and out, but we can certainly force the user to provide a reason for the intended action to exfiltrate the data or copy the data in and out. Now that we've seen this in action, let's also review the Strata Cloud Manager to understand what was the underlying policy configuration along with the logs that have been generated. Here is the policy that was created. You can see the scope clearly identifies the targeted users and groups, specific application IDs and URLs, and the corresponding enforcement actions. We can place these policies under different sections, one for specific AI applications, the other one for generalized baseline configuration or policies. For any administrator, granular logs are absolutely crucial. Here we can clearly see the incidents triggered because of upload and download actions performed, with details about the users, the application, the matching policy rule, and even the screenshot evidence. We can further click Investigate to get a comprehensive timeline view of the entire series of events. Over here, we can see the user initially navigating to Claude and Perplexity to subsequent attempts to copy, paste, download, and upload data. I hope this walkthrough was informative. Thank you for watching.